Good morning, students. Hope all of you are doing well. Today, I'm going to discuss the second part of this chapter 6 Introduction to Negative Numbers. So, in this chapter, already I have discussed in the previous video what is the integer, what is the whole numbers, what is the natural numbers, what is the positive integer and negative integers, and how to write the number in a number line, and by using the number line how can you solve the problem regarding the in ascending order or descending order. Means that you have to arrange the number in ascending order and descending order. So those things already I have discussed in my previous video. So today I will discuss about how to do that addition and subtraction by using a number line. So see here, student. So before we start this chapter, we will solve by using by solve this worksheet. We can learn many things about this. So in this, let us begin with the worksheet. So use this number line to help you. So see here, the number line is given here, and the first question is our start at 2, take away 4. So what is the 2? So is nothing is mentioned before 2, so means it's a positive integer, and positive integer belongs in the number line is the right side of 0. So this side is the right side, so right side of 0 after 2 steps. So you this place is the 2. So now take away 4. So on what number are you now? So that is actually 2 minus, because it is a take away, so we have to subtract 4 from 2. So the 2 minus 4 equals to how much is it? Yes, it is minus 2. So if you take the 4 steps left of 2, so this is the place of the 2. If you take 4 step left of the 2, so this side is the left. So now you take the 4 step, 1 step, 2 steps, 3 step and 4 steps. So after taking the 4 step, we reach minus 2. So the 2 minus 4, it will be minus 2. Okay, so that way you have to solve. So take away means we will go to that left side of that number, and add means we will go that right side of the number. Okay, so let's see the question number 2. Start at minus 1. So minus 1, so means minus sign is indicate that is the left side of 0. So that's why we will go the left side. So this is the place of the minus 1. Now add 4. So you add 4 means you have to add with minus 1. So that 4 means that is actually number of steps. So add 4, so that's why we will go to the right side of this minus 1. So right side means this side. So now if you take the 4 step, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step. After taking the 4 step, we reach 3. So minus 1 plus 4, it will be 3. Now you see the question number 3. Start at 5. So you see the 5 is here. So take away 8. So take away 8 means you have to go to the left side of 5. So after taking the 8 steps, so the 8, the number is the number of steps. So 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 step, 6 steps, 7 step and 8 steps. So after taking the 8 steps, what number you will get? That is minus 3. So 5 minus 8, it will be minus 3. Now you see the start at 12, take away 18. So where is the 12? So 12 is in the number line is here. So take away 18 means you have to go to the left side of 12. So after taking a 18 step, because that number 18 is the number of steps, so 12 is here. So 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So after taking a 18 step of the left of the 12, we will reach minus 6. So 12 minus 18, it will be minus 6. So like this way you have to solve. So now the second part of this worksheet is that work out these questions in the same way. So there are few questions also given way. So like this way you have to solve. Just like that work out this question in the same way. So you see there is the 8 minus 10. So you have to start from 8 and then after take away 10. Then what number you will get? You have to find out this number. So I want to show you by using a number line how can you do with this question. So at first for this you have to draw the number line, and the middle position you write down the 0, and this side all positive integer and this side you will write all negative integers. So start write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and this side also that you write down all negative integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now that question is, the first question is the 8 minus 10. So here in this case you have to start from 8. So 8 is nothing, no sign is mentioned before 8, so that means it is a positive integer. So positive integers actually belongs, it is a right side of 0. So this is the 0 and the right side means this side. So what is the 8? So 8 is here. So minus 10 means take away 10. So 10 is the number of steps. So if you take away 10 steps from 8, so what number you will get? So for this you have to move to the left of the 0, because the minus sign is here, so that's why we will go to the left side of 0. So the left side of 8 is this side, so 8 is here. So now you counting 10 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after reaching that taking the 10 steps of the left side of 8, then what number you will get? It will be minus 2. Okay, so like this way you have to solve the question. Okay, so rest of the question, student, you please try it, and like this way you please solve. You at first you draw the number line and you take the help from the number line, and step by step you do. So at first you see what is that first number, and then you find out what is that this number is placed in number line which place, and then in counting that what is that second numbers, and what before that you have to check what sign is here. So suppose I am giving the next example, 8 plus 10. So here the sign is plus, so that's why we will move to the right side of 8, not the left side. Whenever you check the sign, what is the sign? Because negative sign indicates the left side of the number, and positive sign indicates to the right side of the number. Okay, so these things you have to check, and then you solve the problem. Okay, next is that addition of integers. So few conception is you now you got. So now I am discussing that another parts of this chapter, that is the addition of integers. So we can recall that for performing addition on number line, we were locating the first number, and for adding we were further moving to right in the same direction as many steps as the number being added. So the first question is our plus 5 plus of plus 3. What is that answer? So this is our first example. So plus 5 plus of plus 3. So in bracket you see that first number. This is our first number. This is our second number. Okay. So if I tell you to draw this number in a number line. So here in the middle position it is 0. Then it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this side is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and so on. So here you see that plus 5. So plus 5 means it is a positive integer, and the positive integer belongs to the right side of 0. So this side is the right side. So you see here that plus 5 is this position. So this is our plus 5 position. Now if you take that plus 3, plus of plus 3, so plus 3 is also is a positive integer, and the in between the symbol is plus sign. So we will go to that right side of that number plus 5. So right side means this side. So after taking a 3 steps, so what number you will get? So after taking 1 step, 2 step and 3 steps, so we will reach at plus 8. So the answer will be plus 8. So the answer, what answer will be? It will be plus 8. So like this way you have to solve. So see here, you see in this number line it starts from the 0 because the first number is plus. So that's why we have to check that the first number is a positive integer or negative integer, but in this case it is a positive integer, so that's why we will go to the right side of 0. So after reaching the position plus 5, you have to check the what is the second number, so that is a plus 3. So after taking the 3 steps of the right side of plus 5, so 1 2 3, the number will be plus 8. So now you see the second number minus 4 and plus or minus 3. So minus 4 is here, and after taking that minus 3, the number would be minus 7. So like this way you have to solve the problem. Next, where any two integers having same sign are added, the sum is the sum of their numerical values carrying the same sign as that of given integers. So numerical value means the number obtained after ignoring the sign. For example, numerical value of minus 8 is 18, and that of plus 18 is also 18. So you see here that numerical value means the number obtained after ignoring the sign. So that if the number is minus 18, so we only the numerical value means it is a 18, means without sign what is the number is that, only you write down that one. Okay, so now is the example minus 7 plus minus 8. So you see here it is, if you take the minus, so at first you take the what is the numerical value is there, so that is a 7 and 8, and both the numbers the first sign is the negative and both are the negative integers. So you take a minus sign, and then in the bracket you write down 7 plus 8, so it will be minus 15. But and let us consider the following example. So minus 3 plus a plus 4. So locate minus 3 at first. You see here this is a minus 3 plus of 4. So you have to add or take 4 positive steps towards the right because this is a positive sign. So after taking the 4 steps from that minus 3 of the right side, so after 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, 4 steps, after taking a 4 step, that what number you will get, that is a that what position you will reach, that is a plus 1 position. So the answer will be plus 1. So in the same way you have to do the second case also, minus 3 plus or plus 5. So at first you draw the number line and you locate the position of minus 3. So minus 3 the position is here, so plus or plus 5 means you have to go to the right side of minus 3 because the sign is a positive and that indicates the right side of the number. So we will go to the right side of the number minus 3, and 5 is here, so 5 steps you have to take. So after taking a 5 steps, what number you will get, let's see. So 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5 steps. So after taking a 5 steps, we reach the plus 2 position. So this the number will be plus 2. Now the third case, minus 3 plus or plus 2. So locate minus 3 on number line and take 2 positive steps towards the right. So minus 3 is here. So after taking a 2 positive steps, so 1 steps and 2 steps, what number you will get, minus 1. So number 4, the plus 2 plus or minus 3, locate plus 2 on number line and take 3 negative steps, that is towards left. So number plus 2 is here. So after taking a 3 negative steps, so 1, 2 and 3 towards the left, then we reach the position at minus 1. So based on the above 4 examples, we can have, when any two integers having different signs are added, then the sum is the difference of their numerical values carrying the sign of the given integer with greater numerical value. So the opposite numbers, two integers are opposite of each other if their sum is 0. So 4 plus of minus 4, it will be 0. And let's see. So the 4 is opposite of minus 4 and minus 4 is opposite of 4. Okay, so in other words, opposite of 4 means the minus sign number 4, and so opposite of minus 4, it will be minus of minus 4, so it will be positive 4. Okay, So the subtraction of integers, so let us find plus 5 minus or minus plus 3 on number line. So at first you find out what is the position of the plus 5. So plus 5 the position is here, so minus sign is here. So you see the minus sign is indicates that which side you will move. So the after reaching the position of the plus 5, you see the minus sign is here, so we have to go to the left side of plus 5 because that minus sign indicates the left side of the number. So after going to the left side of the number, you see the how many steps you have to take, the 3 steps. So after taking a 1 2 3 steps, we reach the number 2. So for finding plus 5 minus or plus 3, we locate plus 5 on number line and move in opposite direction, that is negative in this case, and reach plus 2. So plus 5 minus of plus 3, it will be 2. On the other hand, we find plus 5 plus of minus 3, it will be 2, for which we move exactly in the same way. So we can say a subtraction statement can be changed into an addition statement by changing the number being subtracted as its positive opposite integer. So we then easily apply the two rules already learned to get the answer. Thus the plus 5 minus of plus 3, so you interchange this sign. So in here you change the plus sign, and in bracket you write down minus sign, then you will get the 2. Or here's also minus 3 minus a plus 4, so you interchange the sign and put the number, and then you get the result. So like this way you have to solve the question. So here in problem set 6b, here have some questions. So let's see the first question. So the first question, problem set. The first question is 2 minus 5. So what will be the answer? So that you have to find out. So for this you have to draw the number line at first. So at first to draw the number line, so in middle position you put that 0, and then you the right side of 0 you put all positive integers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and the left side of 0 you put the all negative integers minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7. Okay, so now you start 2. So what is the position of 2? Position of the 2 is here. So and minus sign is here, so we have to move to the left side of 2 or right side of the 2. So because the sign is negative, so that's why you have to move to the left side of 2. So left side means this side. So after taking a 5 step of the left side of 2, so 1 step, 2 step, 3 steps, 4 and 5. So after taking a 5 step, we reach the position of the at minus 3. So the what will be the answer? So 2 minus 5, the answer will be minus 3. Okay, so like this way you have to solve the other questions also. So let's see little bit. So the next question is our question number 3. Question number 3, 9 minus 9. So in this case also you have to draw the number line at first. So in middle position you put the 0, then right side you write down, right side of 0 you write down all positive integer 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and here is 9. Okay, so now you see that write down the all negative integers to the left side of 0, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8 minus 9. Okay, so now you start counting from that number 9. So 9 is the right side of 0, so 9 is here. So after taking, and minus sign is here, so you have to start counting from 9, and that minus sign is indicate to the left side of 9. So left side means this side, we have to go to the left side of 9. And how many steps you have to take? 9 steps you have to take. So after taking a 9 step, what number you will get? Let's see. So 1 step, 2 3 4 5 6 7, 8, 9. So after taking a 9 step, that we reach the position 0. So 9 minus 9, it will be 0. Okay. So like this way you have to solve, student. Okay, let's see question number 10a. 22 minus 35. So 0 is here. So 22 minus 35. So in this case, you take the division like this way, that we can show that 22 steps, 22, the position of the number of 22, and also after taking a 35 steps. So that's why I'm telling you, you take the division like this way. So this is a 10. So 22 is a positive integer, and that is that positive integers you have to write down that right side of 0. So right side, this side. So this is a 10, 20, 10, 20 and 30. This is all positive integers I'm right here, and this side is that all negative integers, minus 10, minus 20 and minus 30 and minus 40. Okay, so now you see the position of the 22. So 22 position is here. So you write down here, this is a plus 22 position, and minus sign is indicates the left side of the number. So after reaching the position, so at first you start counting from 22. The position is 22 is here. So now you start counting, but you see the sign is here negative. So that's why we have to move to the left side of 22. So left side means this side. And how many steps you have to take? 35 steps. So let's see that after taking a 35 steps, what number you will get. Okay, so you see here that 22 to 10, how many steps are in between this? So in between there have a 12 step. So 10 to 22, in between there have 12 steps. So how will get 12 steps? So if you count, this is a 10, and this is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So now you start counting that 22 to 10, how many steps in between? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here I am written the 12 steps. I also have shown you how many steps in between 10 and 22. So now is the question is, there is a 12 steps, but we have to take the 35 steps. Now you let's see 0 to 10 to 0, how many steps is here? 10 to 0, that how many steps is here is 10 steps. Okay, now if you count the 12 steps plus 10 steps, so total how many steps? It is 22 steps. Okay, so 22 steps is here. So now you have to take how many extra steps? Then we will take that we can cover 35 steps. So 35 minus 22, so it will be 13. So 13 more steps is required to reach the reach that number. Okay, so now up to this 22 steps. Now so 0 to 10, so here is also the 10 steps. 0 to minus 10, so there also that 10 steps. Okay, now you have to take 3 more steps. So after taking a 3 more steps, we reach that position here. We reach the position is here. So that will be after taking a 3 steps. So that after taking a 3 steps, so but if you write the what is the position it is, so minus 10, minus 11, 12 and 13, so that it is in a minus 13 position. So what will be the answer? So 22 minus 35, so it will be minus 13. Okay, So now you say that 10, 12 plus 10, so it will be 22, 20 plus 10, it will be 32, 32 plus 3, it will be 35. So after taking a 35 steps from 22, we reach the position of minus 13. Okay, so like this way you have to solve the problem. So hope student you understood how to solve this type of problem. Please you do rest of the questions, and next class I will discuss that any doubt if you have, then I will clear it in the live class. All please you must you do in all this question answer in your classwork copy. And if you face any problem or if you have any doubt, just you tell me, let me know during the live class. Okay, thank you students, bye, take care, have a good day.